everybody, today's challenge is floating cup. I'm going to use up the paints that I've got left over from yesterday's SFX challenge, and I will link to those in the description box because there's a very detailed description of them, so I'll make sure that you've got that text so you know all of the colours that I'm using. So to do the floating cup technique, you need a wet base, and then you'll fill your flip cup up, flip your cup, and because the base is wet, you can kind of let a small amount of air in to release the vacuum that happens when the paint falls down. So there's a little bit of a reduced pressure thing going on in here, and it means that it will sort of float up and you can move it around and manipulate yourselves and stuff. So it can create some really pretty effects, and I quite liked some of what was coming out at the beginning of yesterday's pour, and there was a lot going on. There's always too much going on in my pours, they're quite overwhelming, but anyway, I'm going to try and see if I can get some of the nicer effects that were coming up yesterday and keep them a little bit simpler on this canvas today, using this opportunity to do a floating cup. Flip onto this and slide it off so that I don't mess up my base. So we'll just do that near the corner. Okay, so it's already released a little bit. But I can pull it up and start to move it around. Ooh. Tomorrow's pour is exploring a similar technique, and I'm just going to tip this so that not too much paint comes off, and then I'm going to leave it to sit and see what develops. Oh, this looks nice. Okay, let's leave it like that. In the middle and let it develop a little bit. So tomorrow's pour is a tube pour, and you might have seen people using toilet roll tubes or similar, or open cups. So you can use paper cups like I used today and just cut the bottom off or cut a hole in it, or use a tube, and it has the same effect, and it means that the suction that occurred today doesn't occur, and you can kind of keep adding paint. You can keep adding paint into your tube as you're moving it around your canvas. So it's kind of a mixture between a puddle pour and a flip cup or a dirty pour. It's kind of like a dirty pour. I guess it's closest to the funnel pour, but the effect seems quite different because you're certainly not doing it from a height, and you're kind of adding paint as it's coming out, which in a funnel pour you typically cover up the bottom first. Anyway, it's quite simple, and after a few days of maybe struggling a little bit, I've been struggling a bit. I don't know if anyone is still joining in, but if you are, please enjoy having an easy day with me. Right, just sat here for a minute now. We've got lots of cells without even torching. But I can see some air bubbles, not too many today, which is good. I guess because those paints have been sitting there a while, but enough to obviously create the speckles that have just popped up. So I guess I'd like to thin this out a little because this is looking muddy here, but the cells in this area in particular are really nice, and I do like this kind of blooming effect here. I don't plan on tilting this too much more. you very much everyone for watching, for supporting me, for leaving comments, for liking. If you like this channel, please, if you'd like to see more content, then please if you're enjoying this video and like what I'm doing on YouTube, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you're enjoying this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe, all that good stuff. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'm Tokyo Makes. Once again, I'd like to say a sincere thank you to everybody who takes the time to interact with me online in the pouring community and to watch my videos. It really does help inspire me and to keep me motivated. Thank you guys. I'll take you in for some close-ups now, and I will see you tomorrow for another pour. Have a great one. Bye.